Hello guys, welcome back to Free here. Today, this episode, I'll be showing you how to continue the player movement script. I am following a request by a fellow YouTuber in the comment sections. I will be continuing the run effect, and if I have time, I'll be teaching you the basics of parkour, which is a vaulting, this one. Now, this is going to be a pretty long tutorial, I don't know, 30 minutes, 1 hour maybe, because it's going to teach the very basic attempts at vaulting and also the running effects. And if I have time, maybe I can do the grenades as well. I don't know. We'll see. So the first thing I want to do is this part. So I realized the part when I was wrong was because you are holding shift to run. So you have to copy and paste this in here. So if it is running, then you have to put an here, and then in here, where is it? Here, just put an if it's not input, the get key, and in the here we gotta put an if, meaning that if none of this is what do you call it, active, so which means we need if vector so we need to do if velocity dot magnitude is less or equals to walk speed plus 1. So if it's not moving and it's not playing the left shift, pressing the left shift button, it's going to idle. So first we're going to test if that's working or not. So as I remembered, we have the idle pose, the walking pose, and the running pose. Yes, it's working! It's working! So now as you can see, if the player is walking and the player is running, he moves slightly down. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just move it a notch, like that one. That should be pretty intense already. Oh, sorry for this audio warning. So walking, then there we go. Yeah, it's working, but that's pretty overkill. So let's just make it 0.0 I don't know, 6. Oh no, 5, because we're going to apply the next step, which is the running position. So as you can see, I have made an empty game object, a child object of the run anim. Oh, I made a mistake. Hold on. Yeah, I created a new. I have created a new object and put an animation component to it, and then put it under the walk anim and as the parents of the weapon position object. This is just the placeholder mesh, don't worry about it. And as you can see, I have made a new animation called run pistol, which is just the position of the pistol where it's going to be when it's going to run. Now why I'm doing this is because when you're running, the pistol is not going to be held forward, right? So what we're going to do is in the move script, we're going to make under here public string run anim. Yeah, let's just do that. And then we're gonna put a anim here, public game object run anim, and as usual, or run object, sorry. As usual, the scripts will be uploaded to pastebin and I will be updating them per tutorial. So next we want to do is run object. We are going to animate it. So if it's running, we're gonna make a command here and say this is running, just to make sure so that it's safe. This is idle, and this is the walking. So when you are where is it, running, the run object dot get component animation dot play dot crossfade, sorry, dot crossfade oops, sorry, per run anim. Yeah, there we go. And now we copy and paste that to idle and walk and name this idle. Oops. So when the player Oh, and the idle object is just the same as the aim animation. I mean the idle animation here is just the same as the aim animation on the aim object, if you know what I mean. I'll show you later. So now we're going to assign it here. Oh, and also the run animation is called run pistol. Now why I'm using a string is because the pistol and the rifle animation will be different in the meantime, in the future, but currently we're only using one gun and the run object. So now in theory it should walk. It should work. So as you can see, if we walk, but if we run, there we go. As you can see, it. I don't know. It. Oh, well. Something's wrong. Uh. Hmm. Hmm. Hold on. You know what? What if I do position instead of animation? What if I do a position? You know, because I've done it with this one. Now I don't know how to do a position or rotation. The position I can do, but the rotation not. This is idling. This is running, of course. And this is walking. So it worked at least. But hold on, let me just do that one more time. What happened? Why did it not play? Why did it stop there? Where is it? The run pause. Oh shit! I was shocked. Let me remove. Oh, hold on. Let's change the wrap mode to loop. Maybe that's what it'll do. Maybe that sorts it out. Hold on, let's see. I don't know if that affected or not. No, it doesn't affect it at all. Once maybe? It should work. No, it doesn't work. Maybe I should stop it first. So let's see. That animation dot stop, and then play again. Maybe that will do the trick. Sorry. Let me test my mic input first. Can you hear me? Yes, you should be able to hear me. Where is it? Stop. Yeah, we made it to stop first and then play the animation again. Crossfade doesn't work. Maybe play. I don't know. I mean, I've never used play this much because I mean it doesn't actually really transition that much. However, we are also not transitioning. Hold on a second. Let's see this. The idle animation is pretty much playing. There we go. And the run pistol is also playing. However, let us put it up there. Yes, that should be able to do the trick. So no, it doesn't work. I wonder why. Let me pause the video for a while. Welcome back, and it seems to be well, the problem is hold on. The problem is this is already correct. Just maybe something's wrong with my project, or because I'm using this tutorial from I don't know 2014. So let's just go ahead and do it the hard way. I am so sorry if you're going following along with this. Anyway, let's do this. So we're going to change this to vector 3, and then we're going to change this to current pause and change So the first thing is the run position is going to change its position to yeah, right, this is it. And then we're going to public quaternion current sorry, current routes. And if I am not wrong, that should do it. Now we are going to disable this. However, before disabling it, we are going to copy the components in, the rotation in which when it is still, yeah, so this is what I mean. We're going to copy that component and then paste it here. So as long as this stays at 0, 0, 0, you should be fine. So the first thing you want to do is this one. So you want in here, where is it, sir? Where's the transform? Here. Transform. So we're going to change for cur run obj dot transform the rotation equals cur run obj. Oh wait, we don't have cur run obj. Oops, just cur run rot then. There we go. Times rotation speed. Let's just where is it? Run obj. So run object dot transform dot rotation equals quaternion dot slope run object dot transform dot rotation, comma current rotation times the times delta times rotation speed. However, the rotation speed will be using the same variable as a speed. I just hope that that works. If not, then we'll set our own values to it. Now, the current rot. Oh man, I made a mistake. How am I gonna do this? Yeah, we're just gonna make this private and make this private too. Now we're going to copy and paste this and put it under here, and we're going to do this. So this will automatically change the run object's rotation and the position. Oops, where is it? Current pause. Oops. There we go. So if this works correctly, it should work fine, if you know what I mean. So next we're going to make a public vector free run pause, and then a public quaternion run rot. Is that going to make a problem? Yes, there is a problem. So what is the problem? Oh, this. So gun. Let's do gun run pause and gun run rot. Oh shit, my speaker. My microphone is going down.
My mic is falling.
Shit. That's our friend. Okay, so we are going to make it where is it? Current pause. Oh, did I not copy that? So we're going to current pause and current rotation. So the current position while it's not running equals new vector 3 0 0 0, which and the current rot equals new quaternion 0 0 0. I think it has 4 values to it. Yep, 0 0 0 0. Yes, so while we're not running, it should be 0 0 0 0. However, when we are running, we are going to change this into gun run pause. Is that working? Yep. Oh no, you're just supposed to be gun run pause and gun run rot. There we go. Now this should work, if I am not mistaken. However, I am pretty sure that I am mistaken, because I am mistaken. If you know what I mean. And this is also a problem because we are going to be adjusting the values of a quaternion I'm not sure this is the legitimate way because I've seen other people do this and it's pretty amazing. And what I'm doing here is the old hard way, but if you will just stick with me, I believe that this will work. If you believe in me, if you don't, then well, I'm very sorry. Now we're just gonna return this to its position and let's test it out. So first, while it's not running, it should be 000 while walking. Now when you're running, yes! And when you're not running, oh no, it stopped there. Oh, it looks like we have a problem. Hold on a second, let me see where we went wrong. It looks like I went wrong somewhere. Somewhere though. Let's just make this one first. Local rotation maybe? Yep, we're going to do the local rotation times the time to the time. Oh, sorry. There we go. So, 1. So let's see. I think I know my problem. The problem was that I'm adding it per second, which is not supposed to happen. So, yes, it works, but somehow I fucked it up. I fucked it up real bad. Yeah, as you can see, it actually works. It works somehow. Huh. Maybe let's just change the rotation and not the local rotation because I am very worried that the local rotation actually messed it up. Oh! Oh! Huh. Well, it rotated, but it didn't rotate back. It's supposed to rotate back in here. Hold on, let me... Can you do this? Can you make it null? You can't make it null, can't you? Let me see. I think you can just do quaternion here. Oh! Hold on, are you supposed to do it like this? Hold on, let me do that then. Maybe it's because I messed it up real bad. So we're just gonna copy and paste this quite a bit. Then I'm just gonna put it here. So we are not going to do this one. However, the direction will be current rotation. There we go. Now, is that going to work? Oh my god. This is supposed to be... Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay guys, I'm back. So I think I found a solution, but it's not a solution. It's more of an alternative. So the first thing I want to do is, well, rotating the object will actually cause a problem. But what if we do it with an alternative, which is a... Hold on, let me set it up first. Yes, so it will rotate toward an object. So we're going to do this public and to make this a transform. There we go. Now this should oh sorry, game object. Oh no, not the look rotation. God damn it. No wonder I was wrong. This one. Game object. And then do this a public. There we go. That should remove the errors. You know, the transform that position. Now it will face. There we go. It's done. No. Does that work? Yes, that works. So we are going to change this gun run rods into a game object. Now this will create no, it works. Great. So now we are going to create an empty game object and create a child game object of run pause and run target. Yeah, you know what? I am very sorry for this. It usually doesn't go like this. So the first thing we want to try out is that it will be facing this object while it's running. So the run target is there. So now as we play it, it should, well, rotate towards that up. Oh no. Round doesn't regular rotation, local rotation, current rods. One single round object that's current rods. Oh, it's current rod supposed to be private, while gun run object should be public. There we go. So yeah, I got it. So this here should be, there we go. Now it should work. Damn it! What the hell? Direction equals current rod dot run object. Huh? Gun run rods. Oh my god. Oh, this is so hard. I should have just wrote this down before teaching. See? Now if we what the hell? What's going on? Oh, so I see my problem. Yeah, first we're gonna change it to local rotation and make sure that the target is not a child of the run pause, otherwise it will, well, mess it up real bad. Transform just a speed. No, this is current run rods. Yep. And now current rods will be null, gun run rods, and null. Yeah. And then we're just gonna do if current rods. Therefore, if so like this, the order should be walk animation, and then under it is run target and the run position. And yeah, that should do it, if I am not mistaken. So, oh my god, what is wrong now? Just gonna move this up here, because it seems to me that Unity sucks in these types of things. Like, I don't even know how long I've been recording. I am very sorry. Now this should work. So if we walk and now we run, yes! However, we're turning back. Why? So the run position, the rotation is it's doing that. It's not supposed to do that, and in fact it's staying there. Let's try it with just one. I think that's rotating it instead of um let's see. Oh god. See, now that's a problem. Okay, we're back. So I got it. I finally got it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry it took so long. So the first thing I want to do is the run position here and the run target is the same as normal. You just set the run target wherever you want. The run. So here's the scripts that we're going to do. So first we want to make, if you have a current run rotation, so the var rotation equals quaternion.look rotation, and then you have to set the local position instead of the global position, which is what I did, and that was what made it continue to rotate it all the time. And then minus run up local position, then run up to transform local position, same as this now, just that you have to times it by time by 5. And then for the else object in here, we're gonna do 0, 0, 0. And then in here, we're just gonna make it null. And here. You know what? We're just gonna delete the gun position here, because we already did that on the... We already did that. Yeah, that's the main thing. Current run rotation. So what's the problem here? If this is the problem, yep, there we go. So now we shouldn't have any run position, just the run rotation. Nice. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and by the way, I just made the run target pink by doing this one, so I can see it clearly. Or you know what, let me just do this. Yeah, so I can see clearly what it is. Or I just make it go down a bit. Yeah. So now if we play, you can see that when we're walking it's normal, but when you run it goes down, and then when you're not running it goes back up. Now the reason I made it like the run target like this is so that you can adjust it by like going up here, like if you're holding a rifle and you want to do it like, you know, running like that, or too much, like this maybe. Yeah. You know what, I don't even know, like that, or you just, you know, go back down. Oh, you can't even see it now. Too low maybe. Yeah, there we go. Let me full screen it. So if you're running, yes. Now let me disable the mesh and actually get to the object. Now, it's been so long, guys. It's been an hour maybe, and we haven't even got anything. Let's see. So the problem is when we're running, we can still aim and shoot. So we gotta make a decision here. which one is more prioritized? Should we prioritize the aiming, or should we prioritize the running? Now I'm going to hold on. This one. I'm going to prioritize the aiming. Therefore, when we're aiming, we can't run. So we are going to do this. We're going to add a new, bracket here, and just put that in here, like this. And so when you are aiming, or when you are not aiming, you can run. However, when you are aiming, you have to where is it? This one? Yes. When you are aiming, you can't run. So let's see. So if we're running and etc. like that, now when you're aiming, you can't run. However, you can. The position will still go down, but that's normal. And also I modified the animation a bit so it looks more dynamic. So when you're running and you aim, it'll go back up, and when you don't back aim again, it goes back. Oh, also when you're running, I forgot to change the speed. Where is it? This one. If input.getButton.keycode.left shift, and we're going to change this and put it into running here. So if you are yeah, that should do it. So if you are running, well, you can't. So the speed will stay the same. So like, I'm pressing. Oh no, you know what? It doesn't work. Yeah, it's just like that. Let's just leave it like that. So I guess we got the basics done of the running. I'm sorry it took a long time, but at least it took even longer in here since I had to edit it out. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so ashamed. So next we're going to do what, footsteps? I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna put a footstep. I'm just gonna import a footstep script. Yeah, I'm just gonna import a footstep. I'll put the footstep script on Pastebin, but I will show you, however, because this script is old, very old, in fact, that it still uses custom. I mean, you have to type down the variables, etc. So here is the footstep script. I'll just show you in a second. If you don't want to open the paste bin, you can just, copy and paste this, or just type this in manually. So this is what I mean. It does this. It takes the footsteps and type it in one by one like this, instead of making it a class. Now this is actually effective if it just wasn't hard or time consuming. So I'm just gonna do that. And for these sounds, I'm just going to import sounds from here, from my old projects. Oh my god. Oh, I should have created a folder. Oops, my microphone. So now you can test it out. We have the basic concrete footsteps. I don't know if you can hear it. So we're just gonna apply that here. So we have dirt 1, dirt 2, untagged should be concrete 1, concrete 2, concrete should be concrete 1, concrete 2, wood is wood 1. So these footsteps work by tags. Yeah, that should do it. The water is a slush, but I don't have the sound right now. Let's just ignore it. So now we're going to play, and we should have footsteps. Now for running, the footsteps also plays, but you can customize it in here. So first we have 4 and 8, so the walk speed is 4 and the run speed is 8, which should be here, mean walk speed is minus, so that's 4 and max walk speed is 8. So the length should be, one step length is 15. Hold on. Oops, too fast. Too fast. I said it too fast. No. Yep, that's basically it. So we got the footsteps. I'll show you. I'll upload the footsteps script. Don't worry. Also, this footstep script is global, meaning you can I don't know. Just play with the variables, because I'm not really sure anymore. This footstep script is global, meaning you can put it on any FPS controller. There we go. And make sure the sounds are synced with the animations to make it even more better, like this. Yeah, that should do it. Next is do I have time for the parkour or not? Now here's the thing. For the parkour, I can just copy and paste my old script into the new one, but that won't be much of a tutorial. Or you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So the first thing I want to do is, where is it? On trigger, enter. Yeah, okay, so we have time maybe for a vault. So the first thing I want to do is, I'll just do this quick. So first I have set up a basic vault object here, and I have created, which is just a cube, and on the either side of it we have 2 triggers, each facing the cube. So this one's facing that way and that one's facing that way. Now I'm going to create a tag and call that vault, and add that to both triggers. There we go. And now for the yeah, so on the move script in here, we're going to the very bottom and we are going to put void on triggers stay, which should automatically do that. So we're gonna do if other dot game object dot tag equals vault. So when our player stays in the vault, and then we're going to check if our player is running, which is this one. Hold on, where is it? So if we are we're going to check if the player is running or the left G is clicked. So I don't think we have core weapon yet. Yeah, we don't have core weapon yet. So I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, so we're going to have an error, which is this, and this, but don't worry about that. Next, we are going to the yeah, we should just do that. Obstacle vaulting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna create a private bool on the top here. Private bool vaulting, and then a private collider obstacle just down here, and a private float timer just down here. And oh yeah, vault audio, so just, you know, public audio clip. Ooh, vault audio. This is going to be the sound you play when you vault. Now by vaulting, I mean here is the vault when you run over a small, like a small sandbag or etc. Like that. Yeah. So now we are where's this? Where does it go? Oh yeah. So we're going to copy and I'm going to copy and paste this and put it here, and I'll post this on Pastebin because it's quite long and it's going to be hard to explain. So first we want to do, if it's vaulting, then the move direction is 0, meaning we can't move. The local position is going to be our position and the offset and etc. So if we move, we are going to move like I don't know, like a few positions in front of us. It's basically just um you're just going to, I don't know, uh, you're just gonna like slide or slurp to the front of the vault object. However, with the effects of this one, you will I'll just show you later. Next, we are going to start a coroutine called vault time. Oops. Huh, why don't I have vault time? Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Something's wrong with my... So... Okay, here we go. So, where was that on Tuesday day? So, here. Vault time. We're just gonna disable that for now. So it's going to wait for 3 seconds, and then vaulting is paused, then gonna wait 4 seconds again. And then we're gonna back to main cam, which is the cam object, if I'm not wrong. Yep. So cam object dot get components. We're gonna play cam vault. Last but not least, we have one more variable called vault pause, which will be in a second. Hold up. That's it, I guess. So vault pause equals this one. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the position that you're going to move while vaulting. So you're gonna move 2 meters to the front and 1 meter to the top. This is gonna be hard. Yep. And for the audio, let's just put it dirt for now. Okay, so basically we got everything set up except for the cam in here. We're just gonna, create a new animation called vault, which is just a, I don't know, half a second animation. Let's test it out. So no, mistake, 0. Then like that, and 0. So if we play, yep, that should do it. I think it was cam vault. Was it called cam vault? I don't know. Yeah. So let's try it out. So when the you know what, this is gonna be very bad. So as you can see, the player walks, and if he touches the trigger, nothing happens. Oh, it's not set as trigger yet? Huh, it is a trigger. Huh. So let's see what happens. So now as you can see, when we walk there, nothing happens, but if we run, something's wrong. Let me just get it from top right here. So something seems wrong. Is that the problem? I don't know. Hold on. Oh. Oh, hold on. I think I got the problem. Oh, what the hell did I do? If I'm checking and is not equals vaulting. Yeah, I guess that's it. Is that it? Yeah. I am very tired right now. I am very tired right now. So let's see when we run. It should. Yes, it works. It goddamn works. So now as you can see, when you approach an object, it doesn't work. But if you run towards it, you will jump like that. Oh my god, it works. Also, this is not dynamic, meaning you have to apply the trigger to every object, unlike Call of Duty. And also it follows the rotation of the object, so you gotta be careful with that. But anyway, we have basic running, reloading. We have reloading, running, footstep scripts, in fact, and a basic vaulting. Yeah. Oh my god, I am so proud. Oh, I have no more clips. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that I've taken so much of your time. What's that, like 1 hour now? Yeah, I've taken like a lot of your time. Uh, stay tuned for the next video, and yeah, thanks for watching again.